Hi everyone, today I'm bringing a mind-blowing fusion to your kitchen, chicken tikka spaghetti. It's East meets West on a plate, and trust me, your taste buds are in for a treat. Let's start with our star ingredient, chicken. You'll need boneless, skinless chicken breasts cut into bite-sized pieces. Simple, right? Next up, the tikka marinade, which is a game changer. Mix some yogurt, lemon juice, minced garlic, grated ginger, and a bunch of spices. Think cumin, coriander, paprika, and a dash of chili powder for that kick. Coat the chicken well and let it marinate. The longer the better, but hey, even 30 minutes will do wonders. While that's sitting, let's talk spaghetti. Bring a pot of salted water to a boil, drop your pasta in, and cook it al dente. You know the drill. Now back to our chicken. Heat some oil in a pan and get those marinated chicken pieces in there. Cook them till they're beautifully golden and oozing with flavors. The aroma is just irresistible. Here comes the magic, combining the two worlds. Grab that cooked spaghetti, toss it into the pan with your chicken. Mix it all up so the pasta gets all the flavors of the tikka sauce. And for the final touch, a sprinkle of fresh coriander or parsley to add a pop of color and freshness. There you have it, folks. Chicken tikka spaghetti. It's creamy, it's spicy, and it dances around your palate with every bite. Serve it up and watch the smiles around your table. This dish isn't just food, it's a conversation starter. So go ahead, give it a try, and let me know how it turns out. Thanks for watching, and remember, keep cooking with love and passion.